The Supreme Court struck down President Joe Biden's one-time student loan forgiveness program. So, what does this mean for federal student loan borrowers? We're verifying answers to your questions using these sources. First up, when do you have to start repaying your loan? In 2020, Congress paused loan payments and stopped loans from accruing interest because of the pandemic. Earlier this month, as part of the debt ceiling negotiations, Congress voted to resume interest on student loans beginning on September 1st, and you'll have to start repaying the loans in October. The Education Department says it's looking for ways to help ease people back into payments. Next, how is the student loan relief different from the Payroll Protection Program loans that the federal government gave during the pandemic? The plan to forgive PPP loans was specifically written into a law passed by Congress. Biden's one-time loan forgiveness plan relied on his administration's interpretation of an existing law and was not passed by Congress. This interpretation is what the Supreme Court rejected.
When the Supreme Court feels that too big an effect in policy is going to be had by the executive acting unilaterally, we need Congress to be very specific that it did indeed give the president the authority to do that. And so that vague type language is not going to cut it.
Finally, are there any other ways to suspend student loan payments? If you're in a financial bind, the Education Department offers options to temporarily defer your loan or put it in forbearance. These options were not affected by the Supreme Court's decision. This means you won't be penalized for missing a payment, but after September 1st, your loan will typically continue to accrue interest. There are also other forgiveness programs, including for some people who work in the public sector and for those with disabilities. We have a lot more details on this on verifythis.com. With your Verify, I'm Brandon Lewis.